Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix high ping in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, we're going to shut down any background applications that could be consuming the bandwidth of our internet connection. To do this, we're going to right-click on the Windows icon and then select Task Manager from the menu. Now, in the Task Manager, you need to click on this Network tab to order the list of applications in network priority. So basically, the ones at the top here are using the most network bandwidth. As you can see, I've got a bunch of apps coming up at the top for me, so I can just right-click and select End Task. You just want to go through the list, ending the task of anything that you're not currently using. Once we've done that, we can relaunch the Roblox app to check to see if the ping has been lowered. So, another thing we can do to lower the ping of our internet connection is to change some settings on our computer firewall. Because sometimes the firewall apps or third-party antivirus programs may block the game platform or limit online interaction. So, all you need to do is get to the Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Then we can select that, and in this left-hand side, we need to select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. In order to make changes, we need to select the Change Settings button. And then from this list of options, scroll down and we want to find Roblox. After that, we just want to make sure that Private and Public are both checked. And then we can click OK to save our changes. If this doesn't fix the issue, you can also consider disabling Windows Defender altogether or any other antivirus software you may have installed. Now, another solution to this hyping issue is lowering the graphics quality directly in the Roblox client. This may seem a bit strange, but some people have reported this method to work. So what we need to do is, we need to relaunch the Roblox app, and then we can just continue into a game. Once we're in a game, we can click on the Roblox icon at top left corner to bring up the Settings menu. Inside it, select Settings, and you want to make sure Graphics Mode is set to Manual. After that, you need to lower the graphics quality to as far as you can go. Then we can just select Resume to save our changes. Now, hopefully these steps should have resolved the issue, but if not, we can try flushing the DNS. To do this, we need to head over to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key and searching for the word Command Prompt. After that, we need to open this app as an administrator. Now, we want to type the following commands in order and press Enter after each one. So the first thing you want to type in is ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. And then you want to type in ipconfig/registerdns. After that, you can type in ipconfig/release, then type in ipconfig/renew. Lastly, we need to type in netsh /winsock/reset. Once we've done that, we can close the command prompt and you'll need to restart your computer. And then, if you've restarted your computer and it's still causing you problems, the last issue is actually changing the DNS servers on our computer, as the error is usually related to network issues. This can increase the speed of your internet in just a few easy steps. You just need to head to the Start menu and type Control Panel. Now we need to select Network and Internet and come over to Network and Sharing Center. In this left-hand column, we want to click on Change Adapter Settings. Here, locate the internet that you're using, just right-click on it and come over to Properties. Now, in this list of options, we want to select Internet Protocol version 4 and then select Properties. Here, all we need to do is come down to this bottom section. Then we want to select this, type in the following numbers, and then we can just hit OK to save our changes. So that's basically how you can fix high ping in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.